Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Speak with Hindu. How are you all? I am good. I hope you all are good and learning new things and improving. Today we will learn about how to start speaking English from zero level. Your English is also zero. Do you think how to start speaking English at zero level? Don't worry, today I will show you how to start speaking English at zero level. So get started. First, understand the science. Whatever you do repeatedly, you started doing. You started expert on that. See how you are able to start speaking your native language when you are child. You started listening again and again, and slowly you started understanding, and after 1 year you started speaking a small word like dada cha ma, like this, and slowly you started speaking small sentences like that. Only you have to do in this English language also. See, first step is start listening and start understanding. Start listening focused way. You listen carefully and start trying to understand, focused on every pronunciation, every sentences. There was a boy, he started listening carefully and he started understanding. After a few days, he started listening English language, understanding English language very well. Second step is speak. When you listen, then when you listen again and again, then your neural path of brain develops of listening. Then they are comfortable and they are easily understand everything. But when you don't speak, then how your neural path of brain develops, then you don't able to speak. That's why you have to speak again and again. After that, then your neural path of brain also develops of speaking, and then you also start speaking. So start speaking with small word like eat, drink, milk, tea, tap, etc., and start speaking simple sentences like I am eating, I am going, I am drinking, etc. There was a boy who started listening simple videos and understanding carefully and started speaking. After few days he started speaking confidently. So what do you learn? Start listening carefully and start speaking. Your English is also improved. Third step is start thinking in your mind. Don't translate. There was a boy, he started translating everything in his mind. That's why when he speaks slowly. Because translation takes time and it slows down your speaking. So start thinking in your mind. There was a girl, she started thinking everything in her mind. When she saw spoon, she just said spoon instead of chammach. When she saw fan, she said fan instead of pankha. Because of this habit, she started speaking fluently and confidently. So you also start thinking small word, small sentences in your mind, and this will improve your speaking skills. Start listening simple English videos and fluent speaker. If you want to become fluent speaker, then start watching fluent speaker and start speaking with small steps with simple sentences. When you repeatedly listen fluent speaker, then you also become fluent speaker, because whatever you do repeatedly, your brain develops that neural path and you started doing that thing. Whatever you do, just take for example, when you want to dance, then what you do, you start dance step by step. You started dancing with small simple steps from first day only, and when you repeatedly dance, then your neural path of brain uh, develops of dancing, and one day you started dancing well. That same manner, start listening again and again, start understanding, and start speaking. Then you also start speaking. Third step is don't Fourth step is don't afraid of making mistakes, because making mistake is the part of life. When you learn new things, then definitely you made mistakes, so don't worry, make mistakes and improve. Even fluent speaker made many mistakes. They are also started from zero level. They also made lots of mistakes. After that, they become fluent speaker. So don't worry, start speaking, start making mistakes. Mistake is the part of life. If you are afraid of making mistakes and you don't speak, then how you improve, then how you speak English? Not at all. Anything you do, and when you are afraid and don't do, then how you develop any skills? Not at all. So you have to just speak. There was a girl. She understood English, she watches many videos, but she never spoke because she is afraid of making mistakes. She thought my English is weak. When I speak wrong, others will laugh at me. What others will judge me, what others will say that I'm not able to speak even simple sentences. That's these thoughts. Because of these thoughts, she never tried. That's why she never improved. But one day she realized that no, English is not real problem. The real problem is I'm not practicing. I'm afraid of making mistakes. That's why I'm not improving. So after that, she started speaking even broken English. She started just speaking small words like water, drink, like this, and she started speaking small sentences, small and simple sentences like I'm going to school, what are you doing, like this small sentences. After a few days, she started speaking confidently. Yes, she is making mistakes, she is not perfect, but she is started speaking confidently. So don't be afraid of making mistakes, just speak. Fifth step is practice every day. See, when you don't practice, then how you speak? English speaking is the skill. It is not a subject that you started speaking only by reading books. Not at all. When you want to swim, you just read books, or you have to go into water and swim. Yes, of course. You have to go into water and swim. After that, you become a good swimmer. Like that only, you have to practice every day. Even you are alone. You think, how I practice? I have no partner. I have nothing. No, there is no need of partner. You just start speaking in front of the mirror. This develops your confidence. This destroy your fear. Start making videos and start listening your voice again and again, and start improving from your mistakes. There was a girl, she started practicing in front of the mirror at least for 10 to 15 minutes every day, and after uh, 7 days she started speaking confidently. Her confidence level is high because of practicing. Usually said, I have no confidence. Why you have no confidence? Because you are not practicing. Confidence is developed by practicing. So start practicing. You automatically get confidence. Sixth step is maintain your consistency. Most of the beginners started 2 to 3 hours practicing because of motivation. They got motivated, and they started 2 to 3 hours initially, and after some days see they skip. Then how they improve? Whatever you want to develop skills, any skills, you have to maintain your consistency. There was a boy, he started speaking 2 to 3 hours at a week, and he started skipping so many days. Some days he speak, some days he skip. Then he not improve. But there is a girl, she started speaking, she started practicing every day at least for 10 to 15 minutes. After a few days she started speaking fluently and confidently. So what you learned? Maintain your consistency. Consistency is more important than hours. Hope you understand this all these points. If you follow these points, you also start speaking from today itself. If your English is zero, then also if you start following these tips and tricks, then you also start speaking. Remember, there is no need of perfect English. There is only need of practicing. So start practicing, start speaking. Write in the comment section, I will start from today. Hope you like these videos. If you like these videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep practicing.